Do you want to make money online? Yes! Would you like to learn to promote Digistore24 products? Yes! In this video, you will learn exactly how to do this, step by step, and make $6,000 a month. Audience, problem, solution. Okay, here we are on Digistore24. Digistore24, you can register. You can come up here to register now. Very easy to register. Fill this out quickly. It's a short form. Put where you are. Okay, you get paid by PayPal. It's very easy stuff. And everybody gets approved at Digistore. Okay, so then after you get approved, you can go to the marketplace. Okay, and remember, affiliate marketing, you need a product. Now, if you have a niche, if you already have a following, social media, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. If you have a following in a niche, then you're going to come over here to the left and you're going to search all the categories, all the niches, okay? And you're going to find a product to promote in your niche. Because how you do affiliate marketing is you find an audience, you find out what their problem is, what issues they're having in that niche, and you find an affiliate product that provides the solution. So you find an affiliate product that provides the solution to the problem for the audience. Very simple, basic stuff. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So we're going to come around over here now. The 3 evergreen niches. Evergreen niches means they never go out of style. They're always in demand, and that's health, wealth, and relationships. Health, fitness, stuff like that. Wealth, make money online, and of course, relationships, dating and stuff. So we're going to go over here. We're going to pick a product. Now this one has 90% commission earnings. You're going to make just about $47 for every sale. Okay. Now this is if you're in the relationship niche or you have a following on Facebook or Instagram, this might be the product for you. I mean, you're going to make just about $47. Now, you're going to be looking for a product that has an affiliate support page. Okay, now I'm going to check that out. I haven't checked this one out yet. So this is the affiliate support page, and that has all the tools you need to promote it. It has banners, okay, has sample emails, promotion links, custom reports, product reviews, hooks and angles. They're going to give you everything you need to promote the product. They're going to give you images. They're going to give you banners, image banners, text newsletters, sample emails. They're going to give you all kinds of emails. They're going to give you you can get your promotional link. So this is the product. Okay, it's a good product. And over here, the cart conversion is 13%. Okay, so like I said, Facebook, Instagram, watch some of my other videos. I show you all about traffic, whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube, Google. Subscribe to the channel, it's all there. But in the meantime, how much can you make now? In a month's time, depending on the niche, whatever ads, you could probably send easily 1,000 people to a website. Okay, so if you're going to send 1,000 people, and they're saying it's converting at 13%, right? That means you get 130 sales. So you get 130 sales, and we said you're going to make $47, right, per sale. That's $6,100. So you're making over $6,000, and that's about a month's time for traffic, depending on the niche and depending on all of that. So, subscribe to the channel. That's it in a nutshell. Quick video.